and 6. Did you get that twist? 5 and 6 are factors of 30. 30 is a multiple of 5 and 6. So for instance, you might be asked to look for the lowest common multiple of two given numbers. Here you are asked to look for the smallest number for which the both numbers are factors of. In this example, we are given 6 and 9. We are asked to find the lowest common multiple between 6 and 9. If one wants to try to get a simple multiple of 6 and 9, you can try out 6 multiplied by 9, you get 54. It's a multiple, but is that the lowest common multiple? No. We can also try 36. 6 and 9 are factors of 36. How do I mean? 6 times 6 gives us 36. 9 times 4 gives us 36. So 36 is also a multiple of both numbers, but is that the lowest common multiple? No. So instead of racking your head as to which is the lowest, simply put, let's handle it this way. So we draw that table we used to draw for HCF. I remember I've done that with you before now. We're going to be using prime factors to divide each of the numbers. For HCF, remember that we looked for a prime factor that will divide the numbers true. That means it must divide both numbers, or if there are three numbers, the three numbers. But in LCM, there's a little twist. Please take note of that. In LCM, it is only one of the numbers here that the prime factor may be able to divide. So we can proceed with that. For instance, here we have 6 and 9. Let's use 2, for instance, as the prime factor. 2 can be used to divide 6, but it cannot divide 9. If it was HCF, this would not work. But because it is LCM, it will work because it just requires one of the numbers for the division to take place. So 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 9 divided by 2, of course, will give us something with the remainder. So you just bring your 9 down. So we are left with 3 and 9. Can we also try 2 as a prime factor here? Look at it though. 2 can't work because the numbers here are 3 and 9. 2 can't even divide any one of these. So we have to use another prime factor, and the closest is 3. Let's try 3, please. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. Alright, so we are good to go. Here we have 1 and 3 left. There's a prime factor that can still divide one of these two numbers, and that is 3. So 1 divided by 3, of course, that will give something with a decimal point. So just bring your 1 down, please. 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. At this point, you can stop here. In fact, you have to stop here. The reason being that when dealing with LCM and you've gotten to this point where you have 1 and 1 as the numbers, the last set of numbers, please don't do anything again. Don't keep dividing. There's nothing you can divide here. Just stop at this point. So how do we get our LCM? Just as with HCF, we simply multiply the factors here. So multiply the factors here. We have 3 factors here. 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6. 6 multiplied by 3 again gives us 18. So our LCM is giving us 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 18. So check it out. You will find out that 6 and 9 are factors of 18. And this is the lowest multiple of 6 and 9. If you have followed us this far, it means you've been gaining value from what you've been doing. Please do well to like. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that YouTube can show this video to other people. Please do well to share the video too. We'll be seeing you next time in our next videos. Till we meet again, this is Math is Fun.